Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel, European Hair Fashion. I hope you are fine and doing good. First of all, I would like to tell you that in my videos, I'll show you trendy haircuts and hair dye ideas all over the world, which makes you look more presentable. If you want to see the latest haircuts and hair colors, friends, then watch my video till the end and do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. You will be notified by my new videos. Guys, in this video I'm gonna show you emo haircut on long hairs. As you guys seen in the video, this is very pretty haircut. It gives you a very boldish look. This haircut is especially for lesbians, as you guys seen in the pictures. This is very pretty and very boldish haircut. It gives you a very pretty look with boldness. Guys, this is very informative video. Please watch it till the end so that you do not miss any haircut and hair dye idea. And if you want to get this haircut or hair dye, take a screenshot of a haircut or hair color which you want. By saving the picture, you can easily get this haircut or hair dye from any parlor. After watching the video, you guys must throw a comment in the comment section that you like my videos, my channel, and suggest to me some good ideas for haircuts and hair colors. I will be very happy to follow your comments and I will make a video for you. Thank you so much guys for trusting on me. Guys, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Guys, please watch my video till the end. This is very informative video for the girls who want a new or fresh haircut. This is the best platform and this is the best videos for you. Guys, if you like my videos, share my videos on your social media accounts. Share it with your friends so that they can visit my YouTube channel and watch the amazing videos and get amazing ideas. I will continue making more informative videos. Guys, please watch and support my videos. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. You will be notified by my new videos and share them with your family members and friends. Guys, please share my videos and support my channel. I'll continue making more videos for you. Guys, please motivate me and support